In this video, I'll show you how to buy TON with USDT on TonKeeper. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first thing you got to do is open up and log into your TonKeeper wallet. After you've logged into your TonKeeper wallet, you're going to see a page that looks like this. And we're going to look for swap and tap on it. Once you're in the swap page, we're going to go right over here to send, and we're going to tap on the arrow next to TON, and we're going to look for USDT in the list. If you don't see USDT in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on USDT, and right here where it says receive, we want to make sure we select TON. If TON isn't already selected, you just tap on this arrow next to it and look for TON in the list. If you don't see TON in the list, you can search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on TON, and right here we can enter the amount of USDT we want to convert into TON. For example, if we want to convert $25 worth of USDT into TON, we would get 6.23 TON. After you just tap on the button right here, confirm the transaction, and that's how to buy Toncoin using USDT in TonKeeper. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.